Let's discuss the fifth objective. Apply percentage in real life events. To guide us in this discourse, we have the question here, task 1. Children in year 5 voted on their favorite food. 30% of children voted for pizza. 60 children took part in this survey. How many children voted for pizza? Very simple. Solution. Remember, 30% of the children voted. So to know the number of children that voted for pizza, what we need to do is to find 30% of the total, which is 60. As we did earlier, we're going to have 30% as 30 over 100, and then we multiply this by 60. So we can make it over 1. 0 can cancel 0, that is 10 in 60, 10 in 100, 10 again here, and 10 in 30. We'll be left with 3 here. We'll be left with 6 here, and that's all. Alright, 3 times 6 is simply 18. So we have 18 children, because 1 times 1 is 1, and 18 divided by 1 is still 18. So we have 18 children. Let's look at another question. Agaba gives 4 over 10 of his sweets to Ahmed. What percentage of the sweets does he keep for himself? Understand that question very well. What percentage does he keep for himself? We can solve this question in 2 ways. Recall that percentage means out of 100. Out of 100. So we can use the principle of equivalence to solve this. 1, we say 4 over 10 simply means what over 100? What is it over 100? 4 over 10 means, so we multiply this by 10 to give 100, so multiply this also by 10 to give 40. It means he gives 40% to his friend Ahmed. That is the implication. So 40 out of 100, what do we have? 60. That means 60 is the percentage of the sweets he keeps for himself. So we simply say 100 minus 40 to give us 60%. Alternatively, we can use this method. Recall that the sweets can be expressed as a whole. In this case, we are going to subtract this fraction from a whole, which is 1. So we have 1 minus 4 over 10. This is going to give us, okay, make this over 1. 10 is the LCM. 10 divided by 1, 10, times 1. So we're going to have 10 minus 10 divided by 10, 1, times 4 is equal to 4. Alright, so we have 10 minus 4, 6 over 10. This is the fraction left, or the fraction he keeps for himself. How do we convert this to percentage? Very simple. 6 over 10 times 100 over 1. 10 here, 1, 10 in 110. So 6 times 10 is equal to 60%. That is all. A school football team has 11 players and 5 substitutes. 3/4 of the players are boys. The rest are girls. What percentage are girls? Very simple. Let's do that. Remember, the total player will be equal to 11 plus 5, which is 16. So we have altogether 16 players. 3/4 or 3/4 of the players are boys. So for boys, we're going to have 3/4 times 16. And this 1, 4 in this 4. And we're going to have 3 times 4. So we're going to have 12 boys. How many girls do we have here? We are going to be left with girls will be 16 minus 12, which is 4. So it means we have 4 girls. What fraction of this girl do we have of the total number? We have 4/16 for girls. So convert this to percentage. Very simple. Times 100/1. Okay, this can simply be done this way. 4 in 4, 1. 4 in 16, 4. Again, we can say 4 in 4, 1. 4 in 100, 25. So the final answer is going to be 25%. So the percentage of the players that are girls is 25%. Let's see another question. Oh, this is a challenge for you. Kindly attempt this and also place your answer at the comment section. Thanks for studying with us. I believe you enjoyed this class. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help us reach out to many students across the globe. Thank you.